Hi everyone, welcome back to another homeschool learning. You are again here. Welcome students. Welcome to Bunjit Vitaya School's online video class for the subject Math. Let's do math. You will be with me. Again, my name is Teacher Riva, and together we will learn new math concepts, all taught in English. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's begin at the count of 1, 2, and 3. Let's start. And let's begin this video with a recap. What did we study on the last video? What did we have on the last lesson? Lesson review. Our topic on the previous video was all about multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers. Can you say it? Repeat after me. Multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers. Yes, that is right. On the last video, we talked about how to multiply numbers. Now let's have take a glance of what are the words important to use when we talk about multiplying numbers. First, let me show to you this one again. This equation is read as 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 3 equals 21. Each of this number has a particular name. First, number 7 here is called, can you remember? It is multiplier. Multiplier. Very good. Say it one more time. Multiplier. Next, what do you call number 3? 3 is our multiplicand. Multiplicand. Say it one more time. What do you call number 3? Very good. And how do you call 21? How do you call 21? Yes, that's right. You call 21 as a product. Product. Product is the answer in a multiplication process. What is 21? Very good. Multiplier, multiplicand, and product are the 3 things you usually see and encounter when you multiply numbers. What will we have for today? If you can remember on our last video, this or the following topics have been introduced. First, let's focus on switching. Everybody say switching. Okay, good. Switching the order of two numbers in multiplication. Switching the order of two numbers in multiplication. This means what? Look at the arrow. One arrow goes to the left, one arrow goes to the right. Switching means changing or changing the operation or the numbers itself in any position. So it's like this, 4 times 3. We switch it and then it becomes 3 times 4. This is an example of switching. We change the position of the numbers multiplied. However, as we go on, the answer or the product would still be the same. Look at the example here. Supposing we have here example 1. The problem is there are 3 butterflies. A butterfly has 2 wings. How many wings are there altogether? There are 3 butterflies. A butterfly has 2 wings. How many wings are there altogether? As you can see, the solution is just there. In the problem, it says one butterfly has 2 wings. 1, 2. But there are 3 butterflies. So we make 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. That simply means there are 3 groups of 2, and that is equal to 6. In multiplication form, it's written this way. 3 times 2 equal 6. Therefore, there are 6 wings all together. This is our first way of solving or finding out the product. Let's see the other one. Okay, we still have the same problem. There are 3 butterflies. A butterfly has 2 wings. How many wings are there altogether? This time, we don't use 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? But instead, we used 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. That means 3 or 2 groups of 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, there are 6 wings all together. Now looking at the 2 situations. The first example, we used 3 times 2 and we get 6. On the other example, we used the same problem but the same position. We switched 3 times 2 to 2 times 3. But still again, the answer is still 6. There are 6 wings altogether. And that is what we mean about switching the order of the two numbers. That even if we change the position, change pian or salap, position of the numbers, the product or the answer is still the same. Okay? Very good. Next one. Let's try multiplying three numbers. Okay? Multiplying three numbers. This will be our word problem. Anna bought 3 boxes of chocolates. A box has 5 packs, and each pack has 2 bars. How many bars are there altogether? Again, I'll repeat. Anna bought 3 boxes of chocolates. Okay? A box has 5 packs, and each pack has 2 bars. How many bars are there altogether? If you can see in the problem, how many numbers are there? Good job. There are 3. It's the 3 boxes, 5 packs, and 2 bars. Let's see how we're going to solve for the answer. Okay. We have this. Anna bought 3 boxes of chocolates. A box has 5 packs, and each pack has 2 bars. How many bars are there all together? This symbol here enclosing 3 and 5 is called a parenthesis. Parenthesis or brackets. Remember, if you can see brackets or like this, you have to solve it first. Again, you have to solve it first. Do it first. So we have here open bracket 3 times 5, close bracket times 2 equals unknown. Because 3 and 5 is inside the bracket or inside the brackets, you do it first. So, 3 times 5. 3 คูณ 5. You will get 15. Right? After solving it, copy the next number. That's times 2. Now you have there 15 times 2 equals 30. Therefore, there are 30 chocolate bars all together. Again, there are 30 chocolate bars all together. That is our solution number 1. Okay, this is our solution number 1. Next, we will still have the same problem but different way of solving. So as you can see, this time the numbers inside the bracket are numbers 2 and 3. Now repeat after me. Say 2 times 3 times 5 equals, again, 2 times 3 times 5 equals unknown. Again, If you can see numbers inside a bracket, you do it first. So the numbers inside the brackets are 2 and 3. So you have 2 times 3 equals 6. Copy times 5. So you have 6 times 5. That would still bring us to the product or the answer, which is 30. In this solution number 2, the answer is there are still 30 chocolate bars all together. There are 30 chocolate bars all together. Now let's look. In solution number 1 here, it's 3 times 5 times 2. Inside the brackets are numbers 3 and 5, while in solution number 2, the numbers inside the brackets are numbers 2 and 3. But at the end, we still get the answer the same, and that is 30. 30 equals 30. Okay, so if you multiply 3 numbers, changing the position again of the first 2 numbers won't affect your answer. That means multiplying 2 numbers first, then multiplying the remaining number after, product or answer is still the same. Again, multiplying 2 numbers first, then multiplying the remaining number after, the answer or the product is still the same. Clear? If you have questions, please feel free to ask me, message me, and I'll be willing to help. But for now, it's time to say thank you everyone for listening and for watching. See you again on our next video next time. Goodbye everyone, and keep safe always. Goodbye. Have a nice day.